Welcome. In this video, we are going to see the book exercise of this lesson, fourth lesson, Bahut Dur Se Aati Nadiyan for grade 6, Madhukaran Hindi Patmalas. We already uploaded the poem explanation of this poem, these lessons. So now we directly go to the book exercise of these lessons. Before that, first once we read the meanings, exercise, abhyas. First we read the word meanings. Tak jana means tired. Sagar, we know, sea. Ko jana lost or disappear. Gadde pit. Gati valley. Parvat mountain. Nibati redeem or get up or handle. Tat coast or bank, river bank we say, no, that one coast. Bank, shore, seashore we say